This screenshot, I would love a volunteer here if you can read this.
Looks like a very primitive LLM.
Primitive LLM. What else?
Also, it is making up information, it seems.
It's making up information. You want to let's just do it together. You read, You read the purple transformer generator stuff and I'll read enter your message, okay? Hi.
Hi, how are you? I just got home from work. I work at a grocery store.
I didn't ask that, but I say, oh, too much information.
What do you do for a living? I work as a cashier at a supermarket.
Again, I didn't ask what it does, but I get that. Chill out.
Do you have any pets? I have a dog. He's a Shih Tzu.
Great. Bro, I only said hi.
I know. I was just telling you about my dog. Do you like music? I love music.
Music is good. Music is good.
What kind of music do you like? I like all kinds of music, but country is my favorite.
Okay. This is 2021, right? January 2021. I posted this on my Instagram, and people were actually excited about this. So we're like, oh my God, like this is so damn interesting, like homie loves Taylor Swift. This was in my terminal, and I'm pretty sure this was Roberta, right? But we were all wowed that it talks back. Like, oh my God, wow, a machine is just talking back to me. It's not making much sense, but it is talking back. Like, if I say hi, it says, hi, how are you? I have a Shih Tzu, right? It's something. It makes it talks back. Then in December 2022, we had ChatGPT, like the 3.5 version, right? It was just GPT 3.5, but it was productionized as ChatGPT. And that's when people were like, wow, it makes sense. I can ask it questions like apparently in there. This is a screenshot from like when it first came out. You could have asked questions like explain quantum computing in simple terms, and it would make sense. It would give you a cohesive answer. It would not reply to hi with I have Shih Tzu, what do you do? I love country music, right? It was way better than that. Then in March 2023, GPT-4 was put onto ChatGPT. And that's when I'm calling this perceives, but you could upload images and ask it questions. So say like this is a lightning cable adapter with 3 panels. This was also pretty groundbreaking. And then we're here now, right? Wow, it can take actions. In May 2024, Claude can now use tools. This was the blog post on Anthropic's website. And so this is where things get agentic, right? If you combine, let me go out of this. If you combine wow it perceives with wow it can take actions, and you just keep doing that in a loop, you get agentic AI. It really is, right? You do something, you have a toolbox, you impact the environment in some way, you impact the world, you see what you did, not you, but the LLM does, and then it chooses the next action. It just keeps doing that in a loop. And that is really the crux of agentic AI, right?